The future. What will you do tomorrow? I'll travel to Japan. We use will when talking about the future. For example, tomorrow, next week, etc. Remember the patterns in this box when talking about the future. Apostrophe LL means will. For example, I'll means I will. Then we have you'll, she'll, he'll, we'll, they'll, and it'll. Won't is just an easier way to say will not. I won't means I will not. You won't means you will not, etc. What will you do tomorrow? I'll go to work. Where will she be at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning? She'll be at the library. Where will your father be at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening? He'll be at home. Questions. Will you be at home tomorrow evening? Yes, I will, or no, I won't. Predictions. Predictions are what we think will happen in the future, and we use will when making predictions. Here are some examples. People will use flying cars in 20 years. It will rain tomorrow. People will be friends with robots in 50 years. She will do well on her exam tomorrow. Everyone will have a smartphone in 10 years. People will live on Mars in 100 years. Degrees of certainty. Degrees of certainty are how sure we are that something will happen. These are some of the most commonly used degrees of certainty. If there is a 0% chance that something will happen, we use won't. If there is a 25% chance that something will happen, we use will probably not or probably won't. If there is a 50% chance, we can say may or might. If there is a 75% chance, we say will probably or probably will. And if there is a 100% chance that something will happen, we say will. So what do you think? Take a look at these predictions again and say how certain you are that they will happen. People will use flying cars in 20 years. It will rain tomorrow. People will be friends with robots in 50 years. She will do well on her exam tomorrow. Everyone in the world will have a smartphone in 10 years. People will live on Mars in 100 years. Practice. Talk about your schedule for the coming weekend using the degrees of certainty.